Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. We all want our garden to be evergreen. But because of climate changes, we cannot keep our plants evergreen all the time. Today I will talk about such a plant which will keep your plant colorful as well as evergreen. That is the Tecoma plant, which can grow in the drought areas. And it also has yellow trumpet flowers. This comes in various colors, but we only have the yellow color. So today I'll be telling you how you can plant this plant in your home by yourself. These plants may have a showy appearance, and these yellow bell shrubs are tolerant of drought, heat and cold. These shrubs are great choices for perennial or rock gardens. These plants have thin branches which causes some wind damage. So make sure to keep them in such an area where they will be sheltered from high winds. So let me tell you about what light requirement these plants need. Yellow bells thrive in full sun but can be grown in partially shaded areas. However, yellow bells grown in partial shade will not grow as tall or as lush as those that receive 6 hours of sunlight or more each day. Now let me tell you about the soil requirements. Yellow bells are tolerant of many soil conditions, but they do best in rich, slightly moist, well-draining soil. Adding a healthy amount of compost to the soil is an efficient way to ensure adequate draining while providing important nutrients. Now let me tell you about the water. Yellow bells prefer dry to slightly moist soil conditions. As a desert plant, yellow bells are drought tolerant and can handle dry spells. In droughts, yellow bells appreciate some supplemental water. During these droughts, weekly water may be needed. And if you want to plant these in your home, then make sure to plant these in the coming rainy season. You can easily propagate it from cuttings. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.